Hey, to customize the watch faces on your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, you can do this on the watch and also on your smartphone. In my case, I'm going to show you how to do this on the smartphone because everything will be bigger and more visible to you. So first, open the Galaxy Wearable application. Now open the watch faces. And let's say that I want to customize, for example, this watch face. So I have to just click on the Customize button. And now, as you can see, I can pick the different theme color. So I would like to switch, for example, for the green one. There we go. Now I can go for the background also. So we can change the color of the background right now, but the captions, I mean the font, is still with the green color. Here I can also change the clock style if I want. There we go. And now we can find the complication color. And here we've got the widgets that we can change. So currently we got the heart rate, but I can get it the sleep one. I can also change the exercise. So there's actually a lot of options that we can add here. If I go into the complication, I got the second one and another one right here and another one on the left side and another one on the right side. And now it's finished, so I can click save. And right now, if I want to switch into this specific watch face, I can just click on it. And as you can see, that's done. I mean, that's how it's done. So right now, please subscribe to my channel.